Hello everyone, welcome to visit our factory. Now we are producing the lithium battery packs used for silicon-based backup power. This is automatic welding machine. The laser welds the metal connectors between the cells, therefore current flowing. Now we step into the BMS processing area. BMS is the central control unit of the battery, like the brain to human. This is a pipeline operation. Everyone finishes his procedure work strictly according with the SOP guidance. It's very important for high efficiency work. Let's see more. He's doing the communication test. With this software, we can read the battery information on the computer, such as current, voltage, temperature, and more details. This is a magic tool to read the ID information of the battery, so we can track the battery running condition and provide better after-sales service. Each battery has a unique barcode. To simulate the real application running condition in this lab, we finish the tests such as temperature test, humidity test. Now the machine starts working. This is vibration test for checking if the product quality, the package, can bear the harsh transportation conditions or not. Now we come into the charge and discharge test area, also called aging test. This is very important to check battery uniformity and stability. In our factory, we require 3 times aging tests: to test preliminary models, to test semi-products, to test finished products, to make sure every battery is up to grade A quality.